If you're a business owner, the 2025 tax law, often called the One Big Beautiful Bill, delivers a host of new opportunities to help strengthen your bottom line, invest in growth, and plan for the future. First, lower tax rates are now permanent under the current law. The individual income tax brackets introduced back in 2017 are no longer set to expire. That means sustained tax relief and higher take-home pay. With broader brackets, more of your income may be taxed at lower rates. Second, the corporate tax rate is established at 21%, and the 20% QBI deduction for pass-through entities is now permanent. This stability allows you to plan with confidence and keep more of your business income in your pocket. Third, one of the biggest wins in the new tax law for business owners is the increase in the federal estate tax exemption to $15 million per person or $30 million for a married couple with proper planning. This can significantly reduce or potentially eliminates the risk of an expensive estate tax at death, which has historically forced many families to sell businesses, real estate, or other assets just to pay the IRS. With higher exemptions, business owners now have a powerful opportunity to preserve ownership, protect family wealth, and transfer their legacy more efficiently, but only if planning is done proactively. Fourth, Section 179 expensing limits have been increased to $2.5 million, with a phase-out starting at $4 million. This allows for the potential deduction of the full cost of qualifying equipment, machinery, and certain improvements in the year you purchased them. Fifth, let's talk about cost segregation. Under the new law, cost segregation has become even more powerful. This powerful deduction for accelerated depreciation is now permanent, 100% bonus depreciation for qualified property. You can immediately deduct the cost of certain building components, such as lighting, flooring, and HVAC systems, by reclassifying them into shorter depreciation schedules. This means a substantial upfront deduction and a potential big boost to your cash flow in the first year you place those assets in service. Sixth, there's a big win for R&D heavy businesses. Domestic research and development costs can now be expensed immediately, and the R&D tax credit has been expanded. If you're developing new products, improving processes, or engaging in technical research, you'll see even more immediate tax savings and improved cash flow. Seventh, the business interest deduction rules have been relaxed back to an EBITDA-based calculation. This allows more interest expense to be deducted, especially beneficial for businesses that rely heavily on financing for growth. Here's the bottom line. The 2025 tax law gives business owners a toolkit full of enhanced deductions, stable rates, and immediate expensing options. It's designed to help you reinvest in your business, reduce tax liabilities, and support long-term growth. Permanent rate deductions, expanded deductions, accelerated depreciation, and enhanced credits only work if they're applied intentionally and in coordination with your broader business and personal goals. Schedule a complimentary 15-minute strategy session to review how these changes apply to your business. We'll identify overlooked opportunities, evaluate which strategies fit into your situation, and outline next steps to help you reduce taxes, improve cash flow, and strengthen long-term value. Take advantage of what the new tax law makes possible before another year passes.